Hi, I'm Darren Wang, founder and CEO for OwlTing Group, listed on Nasdaq as OWLS. I believe off-ramp is actually the most difficult part. Liquidity in different local currency is very important. And getting license, particularly in the States, the largest market in the world, you need as many licenses as possible to help clients off-ramp to US dollar and send the money to their bank account. The same thing applies to Japan, Europe, and other countries. Let's say if you want to help business send money to Africa, Hong Kong, or China, you need to have local liquidity. Otherwise, it's very difficult to switch USDC or USDT to local currencies. That's why we have different partners in different countries providing local liquidity. And then for on-ramping, that comes at the later stage when consumers have debit card, they can use in their debit card to buy stablecoin, sending the money out of the country. So I think the industry comes from business first and then consumer stage. We are building the stablecoin infrastructure for the future industry. For more information, follow us on X, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Thank you.